Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Huazhong Agriculture University CSC scholarship and USC scholarship, and we also discuss that how you fill Huazhong University online application form. So let's start. Type in Google Huazhong Agriculture University CSC scholarship or scholarship CSC guide and click on this link. Here is the link for CSC scholarship. You can see Huazhong Agriculture University CSC scholarship 2021 and the website is cscguideofficial.com, and we click on that. After clicking on that, you can see here's the detail about Huazhong Agriculture University CSC scholarship. Okay, and now we'll try to start how you apply for the scholarship, and we'll discuss about eligibility criteria and which documents is required. So first we discuss CSC scholarship, and after that we discuss university scholarship. And now after discussing university scholarship, we move forward to university online application for portal. So let's start. Huazhong Agriculture University Authority, Chinese university name Huazhong Agriculture University, and the authority is Chinese government scholarship. This is for master and PhD students. Fully funded scholarship 3000 RMB for master, 3500 RMB for PhD candidate. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. December 1 March 31 to March 31 2020 is the last date. Okay, all international students can apply. Age limits you can check here. You can apply with English proficiency certificate as well. So how you apply for this scholarship? First you fill CSC online application form, and after that you need to fill university online application form, and no application fee. Result will be announced at the end of July. So how you fill CSC online application form? So here is the videos link. Click here to watch in video in English. So click here to apply on CSC portal. So click here to apply on university portal. So these are the documents which you which is required for CSC scholarship online application form. Huazhong Agriculture University CSC form, university form, highest degree, and transcript, study plan, recommendation letters. Click here to download the recommendation letter format, and passport copy, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate, and acceptance letter is not mandatory. So again I tell you, so most students says that acceptance letter is mandatory in Huazhong Agriculture University, so it's not mandatory. Okay, I'll tell you in online application form that why it's not mandatory and how we can check. Okay, and so other supporting documents like award certificate, academic papers, if you have, then attach it. Okay, now move forward to the Huazhong Agriculture University scholarship. After that Huazhong Agriculture University scholarship CSC guide, click on this link. Okay, here is the link, Huazhong Agriculture University scholarship 2021-2022, and must check the website cscguideofficial.com. Okay, so click on that. After that you can see here's the detail about Huazhong Agriculture University scholarship. You can't apply both for both scholarship at the same time. Okay, you can apply only once. So Huazhong Agriculture University is the authority. Huazhong Agriculture University, and for master and PhD students, for fully funded 2100 RMB for master student, 2500 RMB for PhD student. Just online apply. Okay, no need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee. 31st of March 2021 is the last date. That students confused that on their official website of Huazhong Agriculture University they mentioned that 15th May or 1st May is the last date. So how you say that 31st of March 2021 is the last date? So I'll tell you in the online application form that after 31st of March online application form will not work. So try to prepare yourself and apply as soon as possible. Okay, eligibility criteria: all international students can apply. Age limit for master 35, and for PhD 40 years. You can apply on the basis of English proficiency certificate. And how you apply for this? For CSC scholarship you need to fill CSC form and university form as well. Okay, but in university scholarship you need to fill just university online application form, no need to pay application fee. Result will be announced at the end of July, no need to send hard copies. Click here to apply on Huazhong Agriculture University form. So click here to apply, and click here and go to the university portal. So I will tell you, I will go to the university portal after discussing these documents. So with all these required documents are same like CSC scholarship. Okay, which the documents required for CSC you can check here. But the difference between university scholarship and CSC scholarship is that for CSC scholarship you need to fill CSC online application form. In case of Huazhong Agriculture University you need to fill just online application form of university portal. So click here to click here and go to the university portal. So here is the online application form of Huazhong Agriculture University. So after making an account, after submitting, after logging, you can see you will see in the theme of this online application form like this. So I already submit an online application form. If you already submit if you already start your application and still you don't don't submit the application form, then click here after starts application. After clicking on that, you can see here's here's your previous application. So if you think that your application you want to change your application, then click on unsubmit here, unsubmitted option. After clicking on that, you can see the options, delete options, and other options like this. Okay, these are my application, so it's mistakenly typed here, so I delete this one. Okay, after deleting after that, if you already submit your application, so you can click and you can delete your application as according to your condition. So click on delete option. Okay, and one by one I will delete it. So I wanna deleting this form, and because I just want to change my major, and for example I want to change my major and I mistakenly select master degree program. So how can I change this? So delete this application this way, and after that click on start application. After that you can see the agree options and other options like which scholarship you want to apply for, CSC scholarship, for university scholarship, and you are a student, you are master student or your PhD students, and these kind of things we can see this in online portal. So I think internet speed is a little bit slow, so it just go to the option. No, here is the option. So click on agree, and if you want to apply for CSC scholarship, then select this option, and if you want to apply for university scholarship, then select this option. So if you are self-sponsored student, then click on this option as well. So I think I suppose I want to apply for university scholarship. You can't apply for both these scholarships, okay, at the same time. Otherwise your application will be conflicted. Your application will conflict if it creates your applications. So you can face the difficulties if you're doing the same thing. So first this one is for master students, and this one is for PhD students. So you can translate this into English, and then you can see this is it's typed that you are a master student or you are a doctoral student. So this is master students and this one is the PhD students. So I select the doctoral students or PhD students and click on the next option. After that you can see the majors, which majors should I select, and which one my previous major. Okay, now select highest degree is my doctoral degree. If you select your master degree in previous option, then your master degree is shown here. So language, I just say want to see all the majors in English. So click on these. Here is the colleges. You can select your colleges according to your situation. So click on search. You can see here is no department for this. So I click on College of Sciences. After that here is also no detail for, so I select food science. You can see for food science 5 to 6 majors are available: food, nutrition and safety, and food science, Indian biotechnology, and biology, all these things. So you can see, so I want to select this one, food, nutrition and safety. Okay, so major is the same, and degree title is same. Here is the basic information. You can fill this on from your according to your condition, employer or institution affiliated with. You can type the detail of your previous institute from where you graduated if you are not employed yet. Okay, or if you are a free man, so no, don't if you think that you don't have any idea about that what I type here, so you can type your previous degree institution name here, native language, your national language, and years of living in your home country is according to your date of birth. Okay, So detailed email address, all these things are the basic things. You can see you can fill this according to your condition, your passport number, old passport number if you have. This is the compulsory option. You can see here. So if any option like this and all the other things not given, not present, and then it means that it's not necessary, but you need to fill. Okay, so select your country or embassy or consulate according to your country. So I am from Pakistan, so I select Pakistan and Embassy of People's Republic of China in the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. So have you ever studied? No, I will fill this or don't fill this option, and other things either. These things are mandatory to fill, but you can fill your father detail here. Here's also you can fill your father's mother and your brother sister detail. Any of them you can use the detail. So emergency contact, so you can put the detail of your father or brother contact. So if you don't think that and don't worry about that, if your father is not in China and brother is not in China, the detail which you want to provide here, then don't worry about this. So click on the next option. So I'll go to the next option. I don't fill this form because it's too much time consuming, so that's why I'll go to the next option, application information. So here is the majors. If you want to change your majors, then click here to change your major. So it's automatically typed this one, and you can preference types. You can select this one, personal recommendation, or if some agents recommend you, or self recommendation. So personal information, if you select personal recommendation, then you can type the CS guide official here. So reference contact, you can put the different contact of any of your friend here. Language proficiency, if your major is in English, then select excellent, and Chinese proficiency none, and HSK level none. So you can put your if you have Chinese proficiency, either your major is in English, but if you have Chinese proficiency, then must provide your English Chinese detail here. Education background, highest degree, means if you want to apply for master degree, then your highest degree is bachelor, and if you want to apply for doctoral degree, then your highest level is master. Okay, and if you apply for bachelor degree, then your either bachelor is not for this scholarship is not for bachelor students, but if in case in other students universities, if you want to apply, or if you're any of your friend or your brother want to apply for bachelor degree, then you can select your select highest level is high school. Okay, so I select in the beginning doctoral degree, so I select this option for master degree because I want to apply for doctoral degree, but my previous degree is master degree. Okay, highest degree, graduation level, graduation school, name of your school, and diploma certificate, expected or graduated. So I graduated. So type your marks according to your situation on your the marks which mention on your transcript or highest degree. Any failure in your subject? No. If yes, then type this then number of subjects. So I don't have any failure in my highest degree, so I left it no. Okay, start from high school, click here to add, and add your application, add your information according to your high school. Work experience, if you have, then put your work experience. Either you have your work in China. Have you ever worked in China? No. If yes, then put the detail. Family members, must give the one member family detail here. Okay, and click on the save and continue. So documentation, this is the very important section of this video. So click on that documents, and you can see very soon you can see the detail of the required documents. Here is the detail. So certificate of no criminal record, okay, police clearance certificate, valid passport, graduate certificate, highest transcript. These are all things must be notarized. Okay, medical report means your physical examination form. So if you have a blood test report, then attach it. Otherwise, if you don't have any blood test report, just physical examination form, then it's okay. A study plan, references mean recommendation letter. You can upload your recommendation letter, both of your recommendation letter, in one file or in same file. You can in different file. You can use any of them. Okay. Language certificate, English proficiency certificate, or if your major is in Chinese, then upload. HSK certificate. Acceptance letter is not mandatory. Here's you can see here's the important section. It means you must need to upload this section. But in case of acceptance letter, not mention that it's mandatory. So don't worry about this. And if you want to apply for CSC scholarship, then upload CSC scholarship application form. But in the beginning, I select CS University scholarship, so I don't upload the CSC online application form. But in case of if you want to apply for CSC scholarship, then upload CSC scholarship application form. Okay, and now Chinese language certificate, okay, HSK, if you have, then upload it. Award certificate, if you have, then upload this section, otherwise you can leave this blank. So more information, click on the more information. You can see the video about applicants video and nationality, background, these things. So if you can see there is in this option, you can say you didn't see that here is not mentioned that about compulsory option, mean red option, you can see. Okay, here is not mentioned. If you don't have any videos, you can about yourself, about your video, means you want to explain about your introduction, so you must upload this. You must upload video on this portal for other universities like Tianjin University, but in this university, for this university, it's not mandatory. You can left it blank. Okay, but if you want to upload, then it's MP4 size, RMVP and AVI, and the size of this video must be less than 50 MB. So leave it blank. If you don't have any, then don't worry about this. Are you an immigrant? So no, I don't have. I left this I left the same, so I remain this option same and go forward. Award information, if you have, then add it, otherwise leave it. Referee information, if you have, then leave it. If you want to give the referee information of same the professor who give you accept a recommendation letter, then you can put the detail of your recommendation letter professor here. But if you don't have any, sorry, you must have recommendation letter, but if you think that you don't give or you don't put the information of your professor here, then you can left it blank, or the professor or any of your friend, you can put the detail here. So guardians information, this is for master, this is for 18-year-old student, less than 18 years old for applicants, below than 18 years. Other information like the supervisor and these kind of things. So if you don't have any supervisor, then you can select NA. But if you have and your professor's name is not in the list, then don't worry, type your supervisor name by self manually. You can type your professor name. So CSC serial number, if you want to apply for CS scholarship, then a form will be generated on your CSC online application form, and put the CSC serial number here of your CSC online application form. But if you want to apply for university scholarship, then leave it blank. Hobbies, old passport number, okay, means here mentioned that it's I think it's mistakenly mistakenly converted to this option. So old passport number, type here. Smoking and these kind of things, you can see, put no, okay, and click on save and continue. After that, you can preview your application and check that everything is fine. If everything is everything you feel correctly, then at the end you can submit your documents. Okay, documents to submit your form. So are you going to submit? No, still not, because I didn't submit that. It's just for demo. This is for you. So after that, click on applications option. Okay, if you when your application will submit, okay, then you can see unsubmitted. It's unsubmitted because I didn't submit that form. So I click, if when your form is submitted, then it's changed to submitted, and after that your status will change to pre-admission and pre-admitted and admitted and submitted and these kind of. Okay, so you can check or daily, you can check your status daily after submitting the online application form. I hope you can get everything which you want about Huazhong Agriculture University. And for more update for CSC scholarship, applying procedure, list of university CS scholarship, and list of CSC universities with faculty links and other things, you can visit this website cscguideofficial.com. Good luck and take care of yourself.